Today's roof is going to be equipped by 8 modules in portrait orientation in 2 rows. The rails, C-rails, are going to support these modules in their quarter areas in a horizontal orientation. So the rails are going to be installed horizontal. We are calling it single layer system. First of all, we have to find out the proper positions for our module field, and that means that we have to make some decisions. Our customer already make a decision where the module field is going to be started because his wish was starting out of 450 millimeters out of the edge of the building and 750 millimeters out of the ridge of the building. So the positions of the module field are quite fixed. So here is our first marker where the module field is ending out of the ridge, and here is the marker for 450 millimeters out of the edge of the building. So basically we have decided to start 450 millimeters out of the roof edge. For this purpose we marked our marker to see it and indicate the end of the field, and we have also decided to start 750 millimeters out of the roof edge as we done on the second side of the roof. So we wanted to have both fields aligned parallel into the same distances out of the roof edge, 750. In this position is going to be a roof hook. So basically here is a roof hook and this is our module overhang, which is 650 millimeters. Solar Planet report also giving us the proper positions of the hooks, and according to the design we have planned in advance, we found out that we can afford to go into the W shape with the positions of our hooks. That means that we can omit 1 rafter in the row. That means that we can save cutting of the tiles, installing the hooks, and obviously also some costs for the mounting system. We also found out, according to the design in Solar Planet, that we can afford quite long overhangs. We will not use the entire length of the overhang, which can be 800 millimeters in this case, but we would use something around 600 millimeters. So 60 centimeters is going to be an overhang out of the last fixing point. To find out where the proper positions of the hooks are, is fine to, let me say, mark the positions of the module field, what we already done out of the module ridge. So this is the first marker, and I already prepared the end of our module. We are going to use the module's Jinko 450 watt peaks, which has something around 1.76 meters. So this is going to be the end of the first module row. So we are finishing here and starting there. A position of our first roof hook is here where the tile is already open. So here is going to be the first roof hook, and on the edge of the module field the roof hooks must be on each rafter, obviously, to avoid turbulences, and out of this side the entire installation is much more affected by wind and these extra forcing. So first roof hook is going to be here, and second roof hook is here. But afterwards we can use our application of a W shape. Let's save some time and costs as well. So we will go into the W shape here and there, and we are keep going onto the end of the module field.